Welcome to the world of Afrox. Did you know that Afrox is Sub-Saharan Africa's leading supplier of gases and welding products, and that we operate in over 16 African countries with retail outlets and distributors across the continent? Not only do we offer the convenience of in-store over-the-counter products, but we can also deliver orders to your doorstep thanks to our extensive distribution network. Whatever your welding needs, Afrox has the solution. Top of the range, great quality products that you can rely on. Today we will explain how to set up your PortaPak safely and efficiently, and how to perform the gas cutting process. The Afrox PortaPak is the ideal welding and cutting set for those difficult to get to jobs. Light and robust, yet with man-sized capabilities, it is easily moved by one person and can be effortlessly lifted through hatches and into service vehicles. Because of its small size and portability, the set is perfect for transporting in emergency vehicles for maintenance in industries where portability is key. Now step inside our virtual demo center as we take you through the setup of the PortaPak. Once the trolley has been assembled, facing the cylinder trolley from the front, insert the cylinders into the trolley. The acetylene cylinder must be on the left-hand side with its cylinder valve facing the opposite direction to the oxygen cylinder. Remove the seals. Purge the cylinder valves by briefly opening and closing to remove any loose particles that could be trapped in the cylinder valve. Then connect the red acetylene regulator to the acetylene cylinder. The acetylene cylinder has a valve with a left-hand thread as it is a flammable gas. Then connect the blue oxygen regulator to the black oxygen cylinder. The oxygen cylinder has a valve with a right-hand thread. Tighten the nut on inlet stems of the regulator with the spanner provided. Connect the flashback arresters to the regulators. These are color-coded for ease of identification and connection. Connect hoses to regulator-mounted flashback arresters. These are also color-coded for easy identification. The torch mount flashback arresters are already connected to hoses. Connect the torch mount flashback arresters to the welding and cutting torch. Ensure that these are securely tightened. Select the correct size nozzle for the job at hand by referring to the nozzle selection chart provided in the kit. Always ensure the torch valves are closed before opening the cylinder valves. Open the cylinder valves slowly, acetylene first, only 2 turns each to ensure that there is no pressure surge to the regulators. To set the acetylene regulator pressure, first open the red valve on the torch. Adjust the control knob on the acetylene regulator by turning it clockwise until the required pressure is reached. Then set the oxygen regulator pressure by opening the blue valve on the torch. Adjust the control knob on the oxygen regulator by turning it clockwise until the required pressure is reached. Once the pressures have been set, ensure that torch valves are closed properly. Test the set for gas leaks at all joints by using the Afrox leak test solution. Do not use soapy water as this is oil-based and reacts with oxygen in an explosive manner. Purge both hoses by opening each torch valve separately for approximately 5 seconds. This is to ensure that there is only one gas in the hose. Open acetylene torch control valve first. Ignite the gas using a spark or friction lighter. Open the oxygen torch control valve and set both gases to obtain the correct flame setting. You are now ready to weld or cut with your handy compact PortaPak set. Close the acetylene torch control valve first, then the oxygen torch control valve. If this is done in reverse, the flammable gas is starved of oxygen and could result in a flashback. Close the cylinder valves, first the acetylene and then the oxygen. Open the torch valves to purge the hoses of any remaining gas within the hoses. The outlet and contents pressure gauges on the regulators must return to zero. Close the regulators by releasing the pressure adjusting knob anti-clockwise until it stops, then half a turn back. This is to eliminate the possibility of the adjusting knob getting stuck when not in use. Do not wind hoses around the cylinder trolley. Utilize the hooks provided on the back of the cylinder trolley. As Africa's leading gases and welding company, we are passionate about welding, and we're here to help you get the best welds possible. Using the Afrox range of welding machines, accessories, consumables, and personal protective gear will ensure the perfect weld every time.